Hello guys, so today, we're gonna try to find a good book for you guys. This is my first book video ever on YouTube. So, let's try to find it. So, I have a lot of books here. Let's do, how about On the Moon? Let's see this. Let's see it. Make sure you watch to the end to see a great, I sing really good. So, I'm going to sing in this for you. On the night before, on Bear's big day, they look at the moon far, far away. Sorry if you heard that text message. That was just my Nana saying I love you. I love you too, Nana. Then the morning comes, is the day they will go to the moon far, far away. Wait, I didn't even show you the worst one. I'm so sorry, guys. The crowd counts down. The rockets blast. They wave goodbye. They are off at last. Two little bears and one little pup. They are off to the moon, going up, up, up. Sorry, I just wanted to show my Lanky box toys while I read the book. They look back down, but they can't find their tree house home. They have left it far behind. Where is their town? It is hard to say. Their town is now far, far away. I should have wiped my nose before I did this. Now their feet are no longer touch the ground. They are out. Oh, I didn't even show you the picture. They are out of space. They float around. Two floating bears and their floating home. Up ahead! It's a shower. It's a matter shower. They will have to go through. Turn on one power. Will they get to the moon? They will. They must. Their slogan is to the moon or bust. Behind them, the earth is now small. It is nothing more than a small blue ball. The pup begins to wonder when his paws will touch the earth again. Then up ahead, it's there, the moon. Buckle up tight. We are landing soon. Landing, they are landing in a cloud of dust. They must say they would, and they said they must, and they made it to the moon, and they didn't bust in dust. Down onto the old moon they stepped up with the pride, 2 bears and a pup. Fun story, did you know that the moon was around since 1880? That's crazy. That's super crazy. So it's been here for 1,000 years. That's crazy. Now the bears have many things to do, but first they look around and they enjoy the view. Then they fly their flag, they take the moon notes, they collect moon rocks in their moon rock toldles. Sorry, Sunny and Melon's on there, if you hear it. Wait. Oh. The psych. Stop messing around. They try to jumps high in the sky. Moon jumps almost make you fly. Look at my cute little fishies. Now it's time to get behind the wheel and explore the moon in their moon mobile. Two bears on the moon. They are all packed up and ready to go home now. So is their pup. Will the ship lift off? Will the rockets burn? Will the 2 little bears and their pup return? Two bears and their pup in their rocket ship on their way back home, on their back to Earth trip. To their friends on the ground, to their house, safe and sound. Safe back on the earth, they step out of their ship. Wow, the bears say, that was quite a trip. Now they look up at the stars, really very, very far away. Will they go up a star? Or maybe ... someday. The end. Boys, if you make if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. Goodbye.